Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the card type and whether you need an adapter. This prevents damage and ensures compatibility. Once you have the right adapter, power on the laptop and find the built-in slot or plug in a USB card reader. Insert the card straight and stop at the click so contacts align properly. You do this because correct seating enables reliable electrical connection. Misalignment causes read errors. After insertion, give the system a moment to recognize new hardware before opening file management utilities. Once the laptop recognizes the card, open File Explorer or Finder and look for the new removable drive. This confirms a successful mount. You can now drag and drop photos, copy folders, or edit files directly. Use copy/paste for safer transfers and monitor progress bars to ensure completion. If transfers are large, keep the laptop awake so the process won't pause. When done, always eject the drive using the operating system's Safe Remove option. This flushes caches and prevents files. To finish, eject the card through your OS, then remove it and store it safely to protect contacts. If the laptop doesn't read the card, try a different adapter, a different USB port, or another card reader because many problems are hardware-related. Once done, if files are missing or errors appear, run a disk utility, chkdsk on Windows or First Aid on Mac OS, to repair file system issues. This often recovers access. Remember, prevention matters, so keep backups to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.